Holly and Scott McKhann with the latest update on the mega transformation of the San Clemente house. Since we had insulation the week before that we showed you, now we got drywall up. So the drywall has been nailed, not taped and mudded.
It's been screwed.
Oh, screwed. Okay, yeah. So the drywall has been screwed up, as you can see. You can see all these screws, and we did pass inspection. So the phases of the drywall are: first, it gets screwed up and they get an inspection, right, Scott?
Yep.
And then what happens?
Well, the inspection is they want to see that there's enough screws, that you're putting screws frequently enough. So that's what the inspection is for. Next, we'll go on corner beads. So metal corners on the corners to make them hard and resistant to if someone bangs into them or whatever, and also give them a nice sharp corner. And then next is mudding. So put drywall mud on it. That'll be normally about 3 coats of drywall mud. They put it up, sand it smooth, put it up, sand it smooth, put it up, sand it smooth. And that's the way you get it nice and smooth.
And one uniform look. You're not going to see all these cracks and seams that you can see everywhere now. So it's very exciting. We're finally making good progress. Now we got over that fire sprinkler hurdle. Oh, but I want to show you guys one more thing over here. So Scott, what are these big holes for? The circles? You've got big circles and little circles.
The big circles are going to be for speakers for surround sound system. And then like that's a ceiling fan, that's a smoke detector. We've got fire sprinklers. We have electrical outlets and outlets for TV signal.
So were the holes cut by the drywall guys, or are they after the fact?
The ones that you're seeing now were cut by the drywall guys. We are going through, and we had buried or hidden underneath the drywall for lights. And so these ones we're going back and cutting in after the fact, all the lights. And we can lay them out. Like we take measurements and we run a chalk line here. You can see lines.
Oh, that's the red line?
So the red line. So we want them all to line up in a nice straight line so they don't look jaggedy after the drywall's done.
Yeah, because it's really noticeable in the ceiling after.
Yep.
So there you go, guys. One more step along the way, and we'll share the next step with you when we get to there, when the taping and mudding is done.